What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Crypto Chad here. Thank you for tuning in to another video. Today, Bitcoin continues to stay at the 7,200 level. So that's the big story, guys. Everyone is suspecting we're going to hit a triple bottom in the Bitcoin chart. So let's just go over ahead to the Bitcoin chart. Let's take a look at that. So we had our big run up at the beginning of the year, as we all know. Oh man, I can't even get to the chart, man. Here we go. So we had our big run up at last year, 2017, all the way to 20K. We had our steep drop off to 6,406. Had a little higher low, 6,007, 6,008, and now we're about to touch 7,000 again. So everyone's expecting once we touch $7,000, we're gonna see the volume start to come in. We're going to see Bitcoin, and we're going to start to see the beginnings for a setup for accumulation phase for another altcoin cycle, perhaps for another big bull run cycle. But to me, honestly, we don't know that for sure. The market volume has consistently been dropping. There's not a lot of great big sells, which is good, but there's not a lot of great big buys as well. So the market volume continues to drop. So I mean, and look at this, the overall volume is just look at 15 billion. I mean, that's very low. We did touch 12 the other day, and also the Bitcoin dominance is at 39.6%. So either we're going to continue on this trend of the Bitcoin dominance going up, or this is the perfect time to get into altcoins, because the Bitcoin dominance usually stays around the 37 to 35 range. So since we're so much higher, that's more money that can go into the altcoins. So maybe take some altcoin positions now, not entirely sure. It's up to you guys, not a financial investment advice. But anyway, look at this in the BTC, because for me personally, I really only invest in altcoins to get more BTC, other than EOS, other than Litecoin, other than Ethereum, other than Bitcoin Cash, other than projects that you actually believe in. Like I believe in Neo, I believe in Monero. Stellar's probably up there too. But when I invest in coins like some things down here, it's all to get that BTC. So that's why we look at the BTC value. Anything really up today? Some all sports, some Golem a little bit up. Not too much going up, but that's fine with me. Let's take a look at the big players. So Ethereum coming down. It's down to, whoa, 0.072. Ethereum really losing that BTC value. I think it hit a point of a 0.085. Ripple still holding right under 8,000 Satoshis. Bitcoin Cash is going to just tank you guys. EOS is still holding strong. Litecoin still holding, but could tank. Seeing some bearish divergence on Litecoin. Stellar Lumens. Stellar Lumens is one of the coins mentioned by the NASDAQ that they're going to start trading, or they want to trade. Very weird. Very interesting. Cardano. Hanging in there, still dropping. Tron really dropped. Tron was at like 1,000 Satoshis yesterday or the day before, and we're under 900. So keep an eye on Tron. Main net launches in 3 days. So once we hit 7,000, you might see a huge bullish divergence into Tron, into EOS. Tether going off, of course, because everyone's putting their money, everyone's transacting in Tether because they're not sure about the Bitcoin price. I've heard a lot about VeChain, you guys, not too sure. Ethereum Classic, hopefully that comes back. Binance Coin, something to watch. I bought Binance Coin, I think, at 150,000 Satoshis. And, we'll see where we go. It's not the best buy, obviously, but I'm being transparent with you guys, okay? Quantum, I used to hold Quantum. I haven't held it, but it might drop to the 150,000 Satoshi mark. Now, only say go, still hanging in there. Bytecoin hanging in. Zcash really lost a shitload of its value. I mean, it was at like what, 0.045, and now it's at 0.33. So let's check out on that. Lisk is going to break out pretty soon, in my opinion. Icon's still coming down, so keep an eye on Icon. And yeah, guys, that's really all I got to talk about. Oh my God, look at that. Verge is at 500 Satoshi. So let's see how much Verge drops, because, I don't really believe in Verge, but you can make some money off of Verge, as we clearly saw when it went up to 25 cents, okay, which is freaking ridiculous. And Nano is another one I've been watching. Continues to go down, you guys. Continues to go down. Is not stopping. Quite ridiculous. But anyway, guys, we're just in this bearish divergence right now, waiting to hit that triple bottom in the Bitcoin price, because once that happens, everyone is assuming that we're going to have another bear market cycle run coming up. But we haven't, even the market cap, we've almost triple bottom. So we went to the 323, dropped all the way down to 258. So if we can close out above 258 in the market cap, that's going to look pretty good. But we did make a lower low in the market cap. Although we haven't made a previous lower low in the Bitcoin chart, we've made a lower low in the market cap. So if we see something lower than 258, that's some freaking panic mode. Sellers are going to be everywhere. That's my proposition to you. But even if we drop below 300 billion market cap, a lot of people are probably going to sell. And that's what I'm worried about. Everyone's talking about this big divergence, this big bullishness that's going to come into the market at once we hit 7,000 the Bitcoin. But I mean, that's what everyone's looking at. But it's just the volume, guys. The volume is just not there. It's just not there. Maybe the volume's going to just shoot into there as soon as it touches 7,000. I don't really know. But good luck to you guys in your crypto trading. We'll see what Bitcoin does. We just have to be patient. It's going to maybe take within this week, maybe a week or two. No one really knows. But anyway, guys, just be mindful of your positions. Oh, I almost forgot, guys. I almost forgot. 2 coins that I'm going to shill for you guys, okay? So the first coin I'm going to shill is Pundy X. Okay, it's already gone up amazing percentages. So you might not want to get in. You might want to wait for Pundy X to dip. I mean, look, we just had this huge, look at this double top here, and look at that. We made a higher low, so we're coming back up again, guys. So I think Pundy's going to go. Pundy is just a payment system for retailers so that anybody can accept any kind of cryptocurrency. And then another payment system that I came across is FuseX, FXT. It's only 500 Satoshis right now. Just entered the market cap on the 22nd. And, it's pretty cheap. It's not as cheap as it's over here, 362, but I think 362 would be a great buy for this. Just keep an eye on this. You could probably even buy it now, but if this is a long-term hold, this is a quote shit coin. We'll see if it can be successful. Ranked 291. I'm throwing a little bit of my profits into there and into Pundy as well. So that's all I want to share with you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.